Dear students, welcome. In the previous video, we have learned the poem Basketful of Moonlight. Now, we are going to do the activities related to this poem. First, few in-text questions are there. We are going to solve these questions. First question: what does the poet wish to get from the moon and why? The answer is the poet wants to get one or two baskets full moonlight from the moon. He wants to sow the seeds of moonlight on both sides of the path in his village. Second question: why is the road from the city to village dangerous? Answer is the road from the city to village is dangerous because it is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. Third question: why does the poet want his father home early? The answer is the poet wants his father early home to listen to fairy tales and stories from him. Other activity: simple factual questions. Question number 1: say true or false. Statement A: the speaker's village is near the city. The statement is false. The bus plies from the village to city. This statement is also false. By the time the villagers return from it gets dark. Answer is true. The whole village goes to the city to work. Answer is true. The boy wants moonlight on loan. Answer is true. The boy wants to light the dark route. Answer is true. The boy's father returns home early every day. Answer is false. The boy does not like fairy tales. Answer is false. Another activity: complete the following web. Things that the boy wants to do. Number 1: listen to stories and fairy tales. Second: remove ignorance and spread knowledge. Third: sow the seeds of moonlight. And fourth: light the dark path. These 4 things the boy wants to do. Complete the following sentences with the help of the poem. Number A: the child wants to sow small moons of light from. Second: according to the child, the route of his village is tough and full of. Third: the child wants a basket full of moonlight on. Fourth: the child wants to light the dark route so that his. The answers are given here. First statement: from the city to village. Second, B: snakes and scorpions. According to the child, the route of his village is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. Third, the child wants a basket full of moonlight on loan. And fourth, the child wants to light the dark route so that his father returns early. So these are the answers. Write down the describing words using for the following nouns. These nouns are given here: moons, route, village, morning. The answers are: describing word for moons, small moons; route, tough route; village, whole village; early, morning. These are the 4 describing words which are given in the poem. Write down the describing words used for the following nouns: moons, route, village, morning. Answers are given here: small moons, tough route, whole village, and early morning. Write answers of the following. How do you spend your evenings time with your family? You write down this yourself. Homework is for you. Write the appreciation of the poem. Use the following points: title, poet, rhyme scheme, and figure of speech. The theme of this poem and central idea. You write down at your notebook with the help of poem. Thank you for watching this video. Do the remaining activities yourself. Let's stop here.